I'm going to show you how to turn your laptop into a desktop computer with a monitor or the TV with a VGA cable. One end of the VGA cable connected to the TV. The other end of the VGA cable to your laptop. Make sure you connect it. Then you turn on your laptop. And then you will need the external keyboard and mouse. You connect it. Like this. Once that's connected, you turn on your laptop and the TV. Make sure you go under the correct inputs. If you want to make it like a desktop style, you close the laptop with, and then you click many times like this. Wait for it. So this is how you turn your laptop into a desktop computer with a VGA cable and a monitor or the TV. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful.